How to log out of Gmail from other devices. This tutorial shows you how to remotely sign out of any device you're not using anymore. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile picture at the top right. After that, tap Manage your Google account. At this point, give it a moment while your Google Account Manager page loads. Following this, tap Security and Sign In. From here, scroll down until you find Your Devices. At this stage, tap Manage All Devices. This shows you every device currently logged into your Google account. Following this, tap on the specific device you want to log out of. From here, verify it's you using your PIN or fingerprint. At this stage, once verified, you'll see detailed information about that device like its type and last activity. Following this, tap Sign Out. From here, confirm when prompted to complete the sign out. Once confirmed, that device will be disconnected from your Google account, so it'll no longer have access to Gmail or any other synced services on it. That's how you log out of Gmail from other devices. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!